praying the rosary is that spiritual formation, because it becomes a routine. It becomes a thing where you start planning and being organized. You are thinking, meditating through the life of Christ all the time, in the morning, in the night, even in the middle of the day. And you get to do that everywhere. You're not limited to a corner, a space. You can do that in your head. Being at work, nobody is gonna know. But by just doing it and start with one thing, it's gonna be something amazing. And the persistence of it is because the wait time is the best time ever to learn a lot more about you. Because when you get to be to the becoming and doing the thing, you know so much of what you need to do that it becomes something that is almost way too natural. So you have to practice the patience, practice the wait, cultivate that, cultivate the patience, cultivate the charity. This isn't a formula. It's not for answers. It's for presence. Join the 7-day Rosary Challenge if you're tired, numb, or starting over. One Hail Mary at a time, you're not alone. This is the reason why I created the 7-day Rosary Challenge for all of us. If you feel tired, exhausted, you don't know where to start. You don't know if you want to stay at that job, start something online. If you want to be creative, being at home with your kids, have a family, but being able to feed your family. Being more present to your people that you care the most about. Anything that you're going through, entrepreneur, mom, student, somebody that's just looking at discovering what she wants to do in her life, that Rosary Challenge is for you. And it's really the best connection that you would have, especially when you are a woman. We learn and hear a lot of things, a lot of wrong things, I feel, about being a woman and cultivating that womanhood. And it's something that I'm looking to do more. And through the Rosary, I've learned so much about me just being a woman in Christ, a true daughter of Christ. And having Mary besides me is the best model that I could have being a woman. And that's something that I want to extend to all of you. Invite you to be on that journey with me, because we're not alone. We're not supposed to do that alone. So if you're that person, you really want to cultivate that, you really want to get deeper, not for clicks, not for views, not for trends, but you're really here to plant the seeds, that is gonna be the place for you. And if you want to do more, we have our Rosary Rebel Sisterhood Circle. I'm so excited. We're gonna do a lot of things starting with Rosary together. And if you still have questions, definitely get back at me. But I can promise you that Rosary Challenge is going to be the best thing ever. Definitely. May your prayers not be perfect, but persistent. May your suffering not be erased, but embraced. And may Mary walk beside you always, even when the answers are silent.